What's up everybody, it is Colin here, and this is the first video I'm recording for my laptop, my MacBook Pro, so I hope everything is gonna go alright, the audio is okay, the camera is okay, and I just wanted to have a look at Big Bang Ads. Everybody keeps asking me what's the best network. There's so many networks and advertisers out there, but this is my top pick if you're looking for direct sweepstake offers. So as you can see, I'm on the Big Bang Ads website right now. They have sponsored my video here, where I give a complete walkthrough of their platform on their website, and they have some more information about Big Bang Ads. You can find a PDF, you can look around, see what they do. So they have direct single opt-in lead gen offers. So these are sweepstakes in 25 countries in Asia, Europe, Africa, and Latin America. Private, that's the most important thing. It's a direct advertiser, there's no network involved, so the network doesn't take a cut, you take all the money, which is of course the good thing. If you look at the team, can we look at the entire team? I think so. Let's just look at Europe first. You can see there's a lot of people. This is only the European team. Then you have the APAC team. There's a lot of people working here. Very big company. For the billing, look, they have all the information, the events, the partners they work with. The partners, this is where we are. We is in me, is going to show up soon. As of course, I've been working with this network for quite a while. I've been recommending it. I said network, I obviously mean advertiser. This is my top pick. When you look at the performance, like we used to run a lot with them when we were very active on the sweepstakes. Of course, as I said before, we are exploring more verticals like insurance, we're doing push traffic, we're trying to cash on delivery. But we pulled in like 500,000 clicks on their offers, 142,000 euros. We got paid almost 50,000 conversions. You can see we're basically active in every geo. Germany 16,000, Denmark 25,000, 20,000. And you see these offers, they convert, right? 6%, 13%, 9%, and these are averages. But you can see, 17% average over, this is 10,000 clicks, which is almost 10,000 clicks. Very, very good, of course. And that's the difference between a network and an advertiser, of course. When you work with a advertiser directly, you're going to see drastic differences in conversions because you don't have the middleman, which of course is great. So why do I like to work with Big Bang Ads? Well, their affiliate managers is super helpful. Even if you're a complete beginner, they will help you out. Thereafter, they are present in almost all European geos. So let's say Poland, Germany, France, Netherlands, Belgium, Italy, Spain, UK, Sweden, Finland, Denmark. That's it for Europe, I believe. Then they have like Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, South Korea, Taiwan, like in Asia, Australia, New Zealand, South Africa. Very, very big volume of geos, which each have like 20 to 25 offers, which for you creates this huge library, which I also did. Like as you can see, look at how many different things we ran, and this is 3 pages, so 60 different tabs, and each tab has like 10 to 20 offers, right? Of course, pulling in 25k in Denmark, such a small geo, is not like one offer, it's like 12 offers, maybe 15 offers, right? So they also pay like monthly and weekly payments, which is great. And what else? They have 2 offices, so one in Germany, one in Singapore. And basically, I'm just only making this video, like I recommend the people from my mastermind, they work with Big Bang Ads as the first partner out of the 4 partners that we have. So they start working, progressing on Big Bang Ads because they're very beginner friendly. And people ask me, like, I can recommend like companies like Yap Ads, for instance, Creative Clicks, one of my other partners, which have a great diversity of all kinds of affiliate marketing offers, really, really good networks as well. But those are networks, they have a collection of like gambling, casino, like the crypto, the Nutra, and that's not what I want to answer here. What I want to answer is the best network / advertiser for sweepstakes offers, and it is Big Bang Ads. So of course there's a link in the description to sign up for Big Bang Ads, obviously. if you're interested. But what I want to make clear is this is an advertiser. This is a company which pays their affiliates big money, as you can see, and therefore it's normal that they do not accept all affiliates. So if you get declined by Big Bang Ads, do not worry, do not be disappointed. Just work with a company like Max Bounty first, get some experience, get some revenue, and then apply for Big Bang Ads. As soon as you have maybe $100 to $1,000 in revenue, you can apply, they will let you in. If you don't have any experience, these are big companies, right? If they don't want to work with you, this is just what business is. So yeah, don't try to chat to me like, Colin, can you get me approved? Because I can't. I only have this link available for you to sign up from my YouTube videos. And I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you learned a new partner, potential partner for you on this affiliate CPA marketing journey. Big Bang Ads, link in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.